Today I'm going to show you how to enable Chrome cookies in just a few quick steps so you can fix login issues, save preferences properly, and make websites work the way they should. If you've been getting signed out of sites, seeing repeated cookie pop-ups, or pages just aren't loading correctly, this simple setting can make a big difference. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where all of the browser settings are located. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can control your privacy, security, and site preferences. On the left side, or sometimes in the main menu depending on your version of Chrome, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome keeps the options related to cookies, browsing data, tracking, and website permissions. Now look for third-party cookies and click it. This is the setting that controls whether websites are allowed to use cookies from other sites, which is often necessary for sign-ins, embedded tools, and certain web services to function properly. Once you're inside the third-party cookies menu, select Allow third-party cookies. As soon as you choose that option, Chrome will allow those cookies in the browser, which can help websites remember your session, load content correctly, and reduce login problems. If you were trying to fix a website that wasn't working, this is usually the setting that solves it. After changing the option, you can simply close the Settings tab. There's no extra save button needed in most cases because Chrome applies the change automatically. If the website still doesn't behave correctly, you may want to refresh the page or restart Chrome to make sure the new setting takes effect, and that's it. You've now enabled Chrome cookies by allowing third-party cookies in the browser. It only takes a moment, but it can solve a lot of common website issues. If this video helped, please remember to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and lets you find more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.